When we have multiplication of algebraic fractions, it means we have to use the same rule like for multiplication of fractions. So we have to multiply numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. So we can put one fraction bar, and in the numerator we will have 16x squared y squared plus 16xy plus 3. Of course, in parentheses we have to put, but because this whole expression we have to multiply by 25x squared y squared minus 49 over, we have 5xy plus 7 times 4xy plus 1. So next step, we have to reduce to the lowest terms. So we need to have the same expression in parentheses. Let's see to our first parenthesis. We have x squared x. So if we forget about y for the second, we can try to factorize our expression by using grouping methods. So let me copy this expression. We have 16x squared y squared plus 16xy plus 3. Let me rewrite this expression without y squared, so it will be 16x squared plus 16x plus 3. Coefficient before x squared is 16, so I have to multiply 16 by a constant, so by 3. So this is equal 48. Now I have to find two numbers which I multiply, and I will have 48, and when I add these two numbers I will have coefficient before x is 16. So it will be 4 and 12, of course. So now we will come back to our expression, and we have to copy the beginning. We have 16x squared y squared, and now 16xy, we will rewrite that this is 4xy plus 12xy, and constant we copy. So now from this two first expression we can factorize 4xy, and in parentheses we will have 4xy plus 1, and from this last two I will factorize 3, so it will be 4xy plus 1. So now we can factorize 4xy plus 1, and whatever left will be in the second parenthesis, so 4xy plus 3. So now we can rewrite our first expression. And we will substitute by 4xy plus 1 times 4xy plus 3. Next, we can rewrite that this is 5xy to second power minus 7 to second power, and we have difference of two perfect squares. So denominator we will copy, we cannot factorize anything from first parenthesis and from the second parenthesis. So this is equal. At that moment we can reduce 4xy plus 1 with 4x plus xy plus 1, and the rest we will have to copy. So we have 4xy plus 3, and again we will use formula a squared minus b squared. This is a minus b times a plus b. In our example, a is equal 5xy and b is equal 7. So we can rewrite our expression in parentheses. That will be 5xy minus 7 times 5xy plus 7 over, we have 5xy plus 7. Now we can reduce 5xy plus 7 with 5xy plus 7. So we have that this is equal 4xy plus 3 times 5xy minus 7. We have over 1. When we divide by 1, it will not change anything. So this is my solution.